Hello, Eagles. It's Mother Eagle here. How is everybody doing? Well, it's Easter week. There is an exciting freshness of rebirth, of dead things coming alive, isn't it? Well, I hope everyone is good. I hope you're learning and growing and achieving all your heart's desires. But today I wanted to talk about random acts of kindness, right? So, as going to get my morning coffee, I do this every morning. And I happened to stand next to a gentleman who was in front of me, but the way I positioned myself, it appeared as though I was cutting him off, right? So when he was ready to pay, he made a joke. He said, "Oh, are you paying for my coffee this morning?" I was like, "Oh yes, of course." I always try to be alert when opportunities of giving and being generous present themselves. So I was literally happy to pay for his coffee. I was like, "Okay, yeah, let me pay." Then he declined. He's like, no, it was just a joke. I'm like, "No, seriously, let me pay." He refused, and he said, "Oh, he should be the one paying for my coffee." Then, well, he made some pleasantries and walked away. I paid for my coffee. Then when I came back to the car, I had to think of what just happened in those few minutes, right? You find a random stranger with the opportunity to be generous and give. And one of the lessons that I was taking for myself as a reminder to me and to you is that let us be alert to be generous to each other. Just the small acts of kindness give us hope and remind us of how human we are, how you don't have to be in crisis to be helped. Even just, something small as buying someone's coffee would be nice. Then another lesson I got out of it is, are we ready to receive those acts of kindness? Are we ready to receive the blessing? Because the gentleman declined out of pride. He thought he's the one supposed to pay for me because he's a gentleman and I'm a woman, right? And I'm thinking, why? It can be the other way around. Acts of kindness are acts of kindness. That's just what it is. Generosity is generosity, regardless of the gender. So my challenge for you today is to look at yourself and see, are you open to receive blessings? We may be praying, we may be seeking opportunity, but when it comes, the pride and the limiting beliefs and the idea of how things should be hinder us from actually receiving the blessing. So if someone tells you maybe this morning or yesterday, "Oh, you look so good today," can you receive the compliment and stand in your truth and be like, "Oh yeah, I actually feel good, thank you"? Or do you dumb it down like, "Oh, I bought this little dress on sale. It's nothing. It's actually very old, like 10 years old." We like to say that. Now the real challenge is, can we receive the blessing, whether small or big? The second challenge is, are we open to seize those opportunities of generosity and practice being generous and giving and making it a lifestyle? Because it is part of life, the universal law: give and it shall be given to you. And it's usually multiplied, pressed, and it comes in different varieties and versions, to just make this life a better life. Well, as you celebrate Easter, Keep that in mind. Be open to receive a blessing, and also be open to opportunity to give a blessing. As always, this is Mother Ego. Check out mothereagle.net. Check out Etsy store. I love you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.